So you're thinking of giving up on trading. Ish, it's really crazy, man. I don't know how to go about that, but I have a solution for you. If you find yourself like wanting to give up on trading, you've tried your best, you've tried everything, one, two, three, but things pretty seem to be pretty hard for you. Like you're trying, but you're failing. You get what I'm saying? You place a trade, you place a buy, the trade sells. You place a sell, the trade goes up. You find yourself like you're accumulatively making more losses than you're supposed to be making profits. And you ask yourself, if making losses was making profits, would you still be profitable? That's the question. Like, if making losses was making profits, just do the vice versa. Like we need to buy when the market is going down, we need to buy. Like I hope you get what I mean. I'm asking myself, I'm asking you guys, would you be profitable? That's the most important thing. So I've been in the space whereby, like I would place a trade goes down, I close a loss. Another trade, the trade, I close a loss. And I'd be like, now the losses that I'm making accumulatively are so huge. I'd be like, oh, I'm making more losses than I'm making more profits. But at the end of the day, the market is going in my direction. I'd be like, why is this happening? And why are things like this? You get it, right? So I just know that if you find yourself in that space, it's just that you're that one an indisciplined trader. And if you're thinking of giving up when you're in this space, I just feel like it's just one of those childish decisions that you can think of, like giving up on trading just because things aren't moving as much as you want. Because I feel like sometimes trading, it's very good to give it a break when you're constantly making losses. I feel like it's very good to give it a break. So like myself, there was a time where I was constantly losing. Like every time I was like an everyday blower, blowing, and blowing. It's normal, guys. It's normal to blow an account. Of course, you don't have to blow money. It's normal. When you blow an account, don't feel like you've done the wasting on the earth, on the planet. Guys, people lose money, man. People blow accounts, thousands, and then you blow like a $10 account, $20 account. You feel like you've done something crazy. No, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. When you blow an account, come again. Blow an account, come again. But the most important thing, before you come again, and I always say, guys, take some time. Take some time, study the markets, understand how the markets work, right? You can go on YouTube, watch videos, see how other people are doing it, because you might have a very good, trading is very dynamic. Like you might have a very good system, but your risk management is bad. You might have a very good risk management, but your setups are bad. You might have a very good strategy, good risk management, good setups, but you might end up like trading wrong pairs. And also you may end up trading at a wrong time, wrong session. And apart from that, maybe you might be trading with very bad brokers. So it's just like a combination of things. Or else, you might also maybe you're trading at a time when you're not mentally stable, like maybe you're stressed, emotionally ill, or maybe you're broke and money is controlling your mind. So like trading is really, really like a system. Before you build a system on the charts, you must build yourself like first. Make sure that you are in a very good position to think rational, make good decisions. Don't be greedy. Don't be also don't be also too scared, because scared money never make money. Don't be, don't be a chick in the market. When you go on the market, be like an investor and make sure you're trading with the best broker. There's a link in the description below if you want to trade with the best broker. And also make sure you're trading very, very good assets. I always say when you try to trade GBP JPY, try to trade GBP USD, try to trade USD JPY. If you can, if you're strong enough, trade US30. If you're strong enough, trade gold. If you're strong enough, trade Nasdaq. But yeah, so trade these pairs in the, at least trade London session, trade New York session. You do the math, what time it is in London session and what time it is in New York session in your area. But if you're finding yourself in a space where you feel like giving up, you need to ask yourself if all these things tick, 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 tick. Ask yourself, am I able to put everything together? You know, because most of the times, people that wanted to give up, when I ask them like, tell me the truth, why did you want to give up? They tell me their story, and I'd be like, the thing is, you were doing everything correct, but your strategy was bad. You were doing everything correct, but your capital wasn't suitable for to trade these kind of setups, or maybe your capital wasn't suitable for these high volatile pairs. So my say is, before you think of giving up, you need to make sure that you have done everything correct. Because sometimes people would think of giving up just because they are lost, right? So when you're lost, I always say this, guys. Trading is energy. Like, trading is energy. You get it? Because it's all mind. It's all in the mind. You can have a very good trading setup, but if your mind is corrupted, if your mind is not stable, you're likely to make losses. Like, you just be making losses. You know. So it's okay to learn from people. It's okay to come on YouTube to learn from other people. So I always say this: when I was starting, guys, I was everywhere. Wherever anybody say I'm teaching Forex, I'm teaching whatever, I was there. I was there. I was everywhere. Like, I was in Discords, I was in Telegram groups, I was on Instagram groups, I was in Instagram what Instagram, following everybody on YouTube, what, and I followed a lot of people, and I saw what these people were doing. And from all these people who were doing, I started filtering out, like, okay, this one is trading, is making money, but me and him looks like there's a very big difference in how we perceive things. I think I cannot learn from this person. Then I unfollow that person, unfollow another person. So I ended up like remaining with only the people that, when I follow their story, there was we were trying, like, we were clicking somewhere, like our thinking was going in this towards a certain same direction, our interest, what. So I ended up like making a decision to follow those people that where I like. So I followed what they did. I studied how they did it. I studied their routines, and I started incorporating them. I ended up starting to speak like them, and yeah, man, it was interesting. Today, I'm very much excited, because by the end of the day, just because you're copying from somebody doesn't mean you need to necessarily copy everything and beat them. You need just to take what makes sense, take something from this one, take something from this one, and make yourself, be yourself. That's how I've bet myself. Like, that's how I also bet my strategy, because a strategy is something that you can learn from other people, yes, but you have to take the strategy, adopt the strategy, and nurture it, like, build it on your own. Backtest the strategy. As you're backtesting the strategy, you're gonna find the weaknesses, and it is your duty to fix those weaknesses, turn those find solutions for those weaknesses, and that's what makes a strategy for you. Like, that's what makes your strategy, right? That's how I've also like worked. I've watched a lot of smart money concept videos, a lot of them. So I was like, okay, in this video they've talked about this. In this video that they didn't talk about this, but they've talked about this. What if I take this and this, put it together? What if I take this and this, put it together, and see what I can build, and end up like building my own course that has been helping my traders. And we've been like teaching this program since since the beginning of January, and we've seen great results coming from the members, and seeing the members like appreciating how powerful and how important this information has been. It's been very good. So what I'm just want to say is that, guys, before you think of quitting, ask yourself, have you managed to put everything together? Have you managed to put everything together? Because you'd end up like quitting when you're already there, when you've already arrived. Because, guys, I'm telling you, I've never thought of quitting trading, and I'll never quit trading. Even if I grow old, I'll still trade. I'll still be a grandpa trader. You get what I'm saying? I love trading, and trading is a purpose. Trading is not you can treat trading as a business, but to me, I treat it as a business, and it's also a calling. I'm called to trade. That is why I have an academy. I teach people because I'm called. I love trading. I damn love trading, you know. And somebody is quitting. Why? All right, guys, just don't give up. Don't give up. Yes, I'll tell you. I don't know how much I've blown. I'll do the math someday. I don't know how much I've blown in trading, but I was able to make my money back in a single payout. Single payout. I was able to get everything. Like imagine you get a $4,000 payout, and you'll be like, because I don't think I've funded more than 4,000. Maybe I've funded more than 4,000, but getting a single payout 4,000, and I've gotten more payouts also, and I just feel like, oh, this is great, you know. But you shouldn't be judging yourself looking at how much money you've put in trading. Just judge yourself based on how much effort you're putting into. Because most people, they just like wake up, open a chart, enter a trade, and then we expect results. Guys, it doesn't work like that. I'll tell you. I wait for 2 hours for my setup to show up. I stay in front of the chart 2 hours looking at different platforms, different charts, DXY, NASDAQ, USDT, gold, just to take a trade on one pair. At one pair. I look at CNBC.com, I look at investing.com just to take a trade on USDT. How much effort are you putting into before you take that trade? You just open your MT4, be like, see a red candle, and then you're like, boom. It kills you, and you're like, I want to give up. Don't give up. It's not your time to give up. Okay? It's not your time to give up. Don't give up. Don't quit. We need to push. You and I need to push. We need to make trading work. We need to ask ourselves why we started. We need to answer that why question. Why did you start trading? And why do you want to quit now? Don't quit. Let's push. Don't quit. You blow, you come again. Refine your strategy. Learn from people. Follow my videos. Check what I've been teaching. Simple. Don't quit. If you're learning, don't try on real money. Stay on a demo. Practice on a demo until you feel like you're good. You get what I'm saying? So don't give up. Don't give up, man. I wasn't where I am today. Today I'm here. I'm happy. Very big community. Stable. Living alone in my own place, my own space. Because of trading. Making money online on the phone. People say it wasn't practical. Doesn't work like that. You can't download money. People talked a lot. But today we're here, man. And they're looking at those people be like, how is your week like? Anyway, guys, but the most important thing is just to be grateful. And I'm really, really much grateful for what I've become, where I am today. And I thank God that He's been with me ever since. Like, honestly, trading is really, really a calling. How would I not think of giving up when I had worst moments in trading? Yeah. So plan B was to make trading work. Plan A was to make trading work. Plan B was to make plan A works. You get it? So don't give up, don't quit. If you find my videos valuable, like the video, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and tell me what you think. But you don't have to quit trading. I'm happy today. I'm making these videos in my office. 5 years ago, I didn't have an office. I'll show you a picture where I was trading 5 years ago. I was trading, it's crazy. You would laugh. You would feel sorry. But I'm grateful right now. Why? Because I've managed to get myself everything that I needed. Why? It's the power of the mind. I visualized, I worked towards it, I manifested everything. and I'm not done. This is just the beginning. So don't give up, man. There's so much coming for you. So much. You and I need to work. You and I need to push. You and I need to trade and make money. There's a reason why I didn't cut anywhere in this video, because I wanted you and me raw. You get what I'm saying? But most importantly, I want to tell you one secret. Nothing is possible. Nothing is possible if nothing is possible if you don't include God. What I'm saying is everything is possible when you put God first. You get what I mean? So you gotta put God first, man. Every day, every time. Trading is more spiritual. Anything to do with money, man, it's spiritual. For you to close that blue trades or blues, bro, it's spiritual. What tells you to close? What tells you to have your stop loss right there or take profit right there, bro? People are trading. Ever since they started trading, a trade has never hit their TP. Just because they are greedy, they put their TP very far. Ever since they started trading, a trade just keeps on hitting stop losses. Why? Because they put it so close. Bro, it's all spiritual. It's all mental. Trust in God, man. You need to pray. So the thing is, when you trust in God, when you submit to God and trust in God, God is always going to take you to the right places. You come on YouTube, the algorithm that you're going to come across, you'll be like, oh, I was looking for this kind of things. You might think that it's just YouTube algorithm, but I'll tell you, like, God works miraculously. How God works, you don't question. All right? I'm telling you, the reason why you have come across this video is because of the same thing. So, put God first, bruh. If you really want to make money, not just one day, but if you really want to make money constantly in trading. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's meet in the next one. Goodbye.